Let's see some ways to be consistent in PowerPoint. To start off with, a slide master will help you create a template. PowerPoint has slide masters already set up, but you should create your own. So let's delete as many of the ones here as possible. The delete key will delete them. We are going to work on this layout as the one above won't allow placeholders, which will make sense shortly. Just highlighting and deleting these placeholders as we are going to make our own. But first, let's add an image for every slide. PowerPoint works as usual here. Let's see how the slide master works so far. Click on the red Close Master View button. PowerPoint is still using the old slide master, so let's activate the new one we've just created. When you create a new slide, you can reuse this same layout with the logo on. It makes sense to give the layout a name, since you might create other types of layouts in the future. To do this, once you're back in Slide Master view, right-click on the Slide Master and choose Rename Layout.